Good morning and welcome to your 15-minute daybreak bounce. We're going to get started right now. Starting with a gentle health bounce, just keeping things simple and easy. Our first body movement of the day. Calm, gentle, waking things up, gently waking up the body, the digestive system, the lymphatic system, musculatory system, just overall circulation, keeping things going and moving. Your core is in tight, slight bend in your knees, gaze is forward, shoulders are backing down away from your ears. Gentle health bounce to start. Every move in this particular video is going to be very basic and simple, easy to follow, gentle, bouncing, walking. Nice work. And just a gentle side step out, keeping the bounce in the middle going. I'm here in my backyard in Toronto, trying to be mindful and quiet for neighbors. Let me know in the comments section below where you're working with me out from, where you're working out from with me. Gentle step outs. Do what you like with your arms. Possibly want them here on your waist, down by your side, out here, up to you. Getting ready for our day. 15 minutes of really good body movement, waking things up. Front heel digs with alternating arms. Gentle bounce in the center, or you're without any bounce, okay? You can also do that. You're on an unsteady surface, and that is still benefiting you being on that unsteady surface because you're recruiting so many different muscles. Your body's going, wait a minute, what's going on here? And you're actually recruiting, stabilizing muscles, core, all good stuff. You're hearing the traffic to boot. Nice work. And a march in place here. My march in place might look different from your march in place. I don't know what rebounder you're on. Right now I'm on a leaps and rebounds. There's some more information on the comments section below if you care to have a look. Get the arms going here. Getting the blood pumping, warming the body up to start our day. I hope you have an awesome day today. This is a good way to start it. On a positive note, keeping the body in circulation mode is extremely important at any age, but especially as we age. If you have a T-bar, feel free to hold on to your T-bar, okay? Stepping to the side, step 1, 2, 3, step 1, 2, 3. Check the arm here too. Click. Click. Anytime you get arms involved when you're working out, you're having a greater calorie burn. Just helps to ramp things up a little bit. We're already in move 5 out of 15 of our daybreak basic gentle health bounce walk. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. a V step. So you're stepping up and stepping back into the V. Step up and back. Wide step, narrow step. We will switch lead legs halfway through, so mind the cue. Hope all these nature sounds aren't louder than my voice. And switch lead leg. Very nice. Box step coming up. So you're imagining a box, you're stepping up and back to the four corners. So you're in a wide stance, stomp, march in a box formation. We'll switch lead legs again, halfway through. Be mindful of the cue. Get the arms involved. If you're stepping it and you're slower, that's fine. Switch lead legs. If you don't want that extra bounce, don't do it. Micro bounce, okay? The micro bounce. You're coming off the mat ever so slightly. A little bit more engaging than the house bounce. Just letting the arms hang, do what they want to do naturally. Breathe. Just a micro jump here. We're not jumping up into the sky. If you have your T-bar or stability bar, you're holding on to that if that makes you feel more comfortable. Micro jump. Tap backs coming up. You're going to steady your feet. Carefully step back. Toe tapping, toe, the knee is bent, your ankle is up, just tapping back. Little bounce or no bounce. Choice is yours. Knees are bent, a little bit more, bent forward a little bit more. You're not up here. You need to counter the movement with some balance here. Don't worry about your lead leg here. Breathe it out. Starting to break a little bit of a sweat. The sun's about to come in on me here. Tap backs, with or without the bounce. Always your choice, right? And march in place here. We're already at move 10 here. Just zooming by. It's not too warm out first thing in the morning here in Toronto, thank goodness. We've had some pretty crazy weather here lately, but I thought I would just do this daybreak outside with you today. Why not? Marching it out here. Modified jacks coming up, with or without the jump, you decide. modified jacks. 3, 4, in the front, 2, 3, 4, to the side, 2, 3, 4, front, 2, 3, 4. If you're stepping it, you're here. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's always modifications where and if needed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can double arm it if you want. Finish it out here. 4. March in place. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. In. Out. Trying to be mindful of the neighbors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side step. 2, 3, 4. Keep you on the same side here, on an angle. This leg is bent. This leg's doing all the work. Pushing down into the mat. Push, 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 push. We'll get the other side. Push, push. Step it out if you want. You're on an angle here. Stepping to the corner. You'll feel it in your standing leg. You're nice and warm now, that's okay. 3, 2, switch. This leg is bent. This leg's doing all the action here, all the work. Push down, flat foot, or you're stepping it here. Okay, sun is in my eyes now. Isn't it a beautiful thing? Get some vitamin D. One more move after this, and we are done. Keep it going here. Push, 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 push. Three, 2, and returning to our first move, which is our health bounce. Core is in tight still. This is still part of your workout. Keep it going here. Knees are bent. Breathe it out. And in. Thank you so much for joining me. You've got 32 seconds left here. Keep it going. Keep your health bounce going. Thanks for joining me. Please comment. Let me know that you've done this in the comment section below, where you're working out with me from. If you're joining the rest of this series, which is 3 more in a day, including this one, it's a total of 4, but this one will also be a standalone workout. You are going to do a longer cool down and stretch on your own. If you feel your body needs it, You're going to carefully exit your rebounder when ready. Thank you again for joining me. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Perhaps you'll like this video here. And this was approximately my step count for today. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.